Hey everyone, the Beelink SER9 Max arrives as one of the most capable and forward-leaning mini PCs the company has produced, designed for users who want desktop-level power in an ultra-compact form factor. What sets this model apart from many of its competitors is not just the upgraded internals, but also its connectivity, especially the inclusion of a 10 gigabit Ethernet RJ45 port, which is still rare in small form factor PCs. For creators, gamers, and productivity-focused users who demand both speed and versatility, the SER9 Max is built to deliver. This CPU represents a big step forward for compact PCs, bringing high-end laptop-grade performance into a body small enough to fit in one hand. Everyday workloads barely challenge it, and heavier tasks such as video editing, 3D rendering, software development, and multitasking with demanding applications are handled with confidence. While it is not a dedicated GPU, its performance continues to impress for a built-in solution, allowing users to play many current AAA titles at stable frame rates with the right settings and offering more than enough muscle for emulation, creative apps, and general multimedia use. Beelink's global configuration combines the CPU and GPU with 32 gigs of DDR5 memory and a 1 terabyte PCIe 4.0 SSD. This combination ensures extremely fast boot times, and responsive application performance out-of-the-box connectivity is another highlight. The SER9 Max supports 3 simultaneous display outputs, made possible by HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2.1, and a USB 4 port capable of 4K at 240 Hz. This opens the door for high refresh rate monitors, multi-screen productivity setups, and advanced external GPUs using USB 4. This kind of network speed is ideal for users working with large files on local servers, high-speed NAS setups, or enterprise-grade networks where bandwidth is critical. Despite all the performance potential packed inside, the SER9 Max retains the compact and clean design Beelink is known for, making it equally suitable for a desk, entertainment center, or a minimalistic studio setup. The pricing structure varies significantly depending on the region, with the machine starting at $316 in China, but selling for $699 internationally. Pre-orders are now live on Beelink's official website, Amazon US, and JD.com for customers in China. Overall, the Beelink SER9 Max is a powerful and thoughtfully designed mini PC that offers serious performance, unusual high-speed networking, broad expandability, and excellent display connectivity, making it a compelling choice for both professional and enthusiast users who need maximum capability and minimum space. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and like. Have a nice day, and God bless you.